So today, heading over to Justin's. We're gonna paint the kit, or I'm not painting the kit. I get some guy, Justin. Justin's painting the kit at Justin's house. A lot of Justin's today. But we're gonna paint the kit. Hopefully it comes out good. And then we're gonna put the kit on. Not today, probably like Tuesday. And then after that, it's gonna be good driving Friday. Gonna drive Clubhouse for the first time. Hopefully, I don't destroy the kit like first lap. Hopefully, I make it through the day with the kit being in one piece. But I don't know. We'll see how that goes when that happens. Where do you put all the screwdrivers? Yeah. Yep. Time lapse. Holy crap. No. That fucking sucks.
That does suck.
Oh, you got your wet.
What's it look like without it?
Shit.
Put it on something too.
He's only 6. You're really
That's
small.
how much does it cost?
Fuck.
What do you get?
Tired. Already ready.
I asked for a reason, so.
That means I don't need spotlights.
Good dogs. What's up, Silly? Daisy! Silly! Holy moly.
You guys are fucking gross.
Look at those guys. Need a bath.
They all need baths now.
What are you doing?
That's minty now.
Are these different ones from last time?
These are the last ones.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
That's close.
I put that right on there.
Oh yeah. That's how you do it, huh?
Goes to blue.
How do you do it?
Gray goes to purple.
Wiring some gander noise.
Hold on, I can't be filming when I film.
What'd you do to your car?
I don't know, the wheels are tilty now. I upgraded the control arms. Now the wheels don't fit. So we're gonna have the stance point camber.
Yeah.
Temporary.
Temporary until he gets different wheels. You fix it. Put some E36 control arms in the bottom, some E36 outer tie rods, and like the E90 inner tie rods. So it's kind of like a makeshift kit. Got it somewhat primered. He was just like filling in some of the pinholes in it. It'll be all one color finally. Maybe. What?
We have to drill some holes.
Why?
Doesn't line up, look. On the
Oh,
bracket.
on that bracket?
None of the holes match.
That's fine.
Drill some holes. Just put it on because it's cold and I'm kind of fucking hot.
Yeah, the sun came back out. You're just gonna self tap it in.
Mocked up. And then drill some holes. And then knock and bolt it. Kind of thick shit.
Yeah, it's ice.
Like, what's he gonna do? The daycare? People that like save their drill bits and try to make them last forever, fucking weirdos.
Like
Bought $350 drill bits off the Snap-on truck or something like that.
Yeah.
I think they were $350. They were really expensive. So they last a lifetime. Then you resharpen them.
how do you?
Go get the fucking DeWalt ones like the rest of us.
Yeah. How do you resharpen drill bits? That sounds like a process.
Yeah, I
How's the install going?
don't know. What do you think? Looks mint, huh?
That thing's clean.
Could be tucked under the seat a little more,
Yeah.
but whatever.
Maybe once like
It works.
you get the bucket seat in there, you want to be a little longer. He bought a garage just to fire extinguisher bracket. I need to get one of these too. I ordered one, but they only had red, so getting a red fire extinguisher bracket.
Red, spray paint.
Yeah. Eating. Holy moly, that looks better than mine.
Yeah,
What kind is that?
I don't know.
Is that the spicy one?
Yeah, it was the deluxe one. Spicy.
I didn't get the spicy one.
Yeah. It's not that spicy. It's better than the fucking McDonald's one. Having McDonald's one with the name made me want to throw up.
Maybe. Now I'm hungry again.
Dude, there was no one there. I was like, nasty.
Yeah, we went there like 10 o'clock.
Oh. There you go, Z.
CT skate how to. Nice.
Yeah, those are still good, honestly. Hey, I'll put it on my waist now.
It's still getting a little dark.
This side's off. If I flip this side, but then the height's all weird, I think. When you flip.
Easier.
I don't know.
We could just get a little taller.
I don't know. We'll just go to Home Depot, get some metal, make some mounts.
Yeah.
Until mine show up. Zach's fucking me.
You go for it.
Put it down.
Alright. Step one.
Step one. Dude, not much threads.
Oof.
Oh, fuck. I'm gonna have to fucking
Yeah. And like down here probably too.
maybe just jam with him.
You just cut the carpet out. So this bracket wasn't fitting it as good as we wanted it to because it was hitting the carpet, so we just lopped the corner off. Now it fits mint. Now we gotta figure out the back bolts.
We should figure out where those are right now
Yeah.
and drill a hole for those. Probably the best bet. Alright, we need to take the seat out. Alright, put it down. Just to match the rear. Sharpie sucks. I think it should be right here.
So we got the rear holes mounted.
300.
900. Got the first base coat down.
I got managed out.
Looking real good. It's coming together. I don't even know if I'm gonna use a roof wing, but I'm getting it painted anyways, just in case I do use it. We'll see.
The racing knife.
Oh my god.
Cutting a piece and went.
Bad?
No.
Oh. Dude, my
looks bad.
dad like cut his thumb like to the bone. Oh, okay. How much oversized tape you need?
A lot. Scared they're gonna come off, dude.
No way. You just need one piece. Yeah, it looks pretty good. You can't even tell he's a turbo fan. 2 different mirrors, man. What's going on? What happened to your other mirror?
You don't have to.
You got 2 different ones on.
Yeah. I'm letting the other one dry for as long as possible.
Oh.
Fuck. Just burnt all my fingers.
You okay? Like bad?
Yeah. They're gonna bubble, that's for sure. Literally 3 of them are gonna bubble. Hope this works. This is the one that kind of doesn't go on that good.
I mean, I held my roof point on with double side tape. I think it will be fine.
Oh, you know what?
Fuck. No, we're good. Want too much?
Can you weld to this? What is that, stainless?
Yeah, sure. Is it? Whoa, whoa. You got enough?
Yeah. They want 4.
We need 4.
Huh?
Oh no, we only need 2.
Alright. Holding it?
Yeah.
Click away.
Yeah.
I don't know if that works. Hold on.
No.
What the hell? This shit don't work. Fuck me.
Hmm?
Alright, ready?
Dude, that's like professional.
Is it?
Get one right there.
We just love playing with welders now, dude. Yours is welder once.
Let me do this one.
Alright.
Hopefully that's where we need them.
Yeah, it'll work. I know. What if I didn't drill it out? Whatever. We'll figure that out.
Dude, did we try these?
Jeez, I looked right at it.
Looking good. So we got the bracket all cut out and drilled out for where it needs to go. We welded the stud so it holds when we go to put the nut on top, because you can't get your fingers under there. Jay, they're looking good. I'd buy these.
Would you?
Yeah.
Should we wrinkle black them or just put them in? I'm putting them in.
Let's make sure they fit first before we go that crazy. Probably.
Holy shit.
One's longer than the other.
Cut the clip.
Oh, the F word, dude.
Beep that
You're
out.
making money.
You gotta beep it out?
Yeah, I'll beep it out. We'll beep it out. This
Yes,
shit. Seat's all bolted in. Looks pretty good. Surprisingly, how heck of a job we did. Sits close enough to the steering wheel, far enough back. Looks good. Kit's all painted. Looking pretty good. A few dirt spots, but nothing too crazy. I mean, you'll never notice it on the car. Gonna let it dry for like a day and then I'll put it on Tuesday. Looking good. Mirrors a paint match finally after like 2 years. Looking good. Things browned out. What's browned out?
His truck.
Oh.
It says blacked out. I think it's browned out.
Christian's got the